everyone, welcome to my channel Fun Learning with Abhi. Today we are going to explore a new topic, common multiples. Yesterday we learned about multiples. Today I was thinking my dad again gave me chocolates, but this time I had 2 chocolates and my brother had 3 chocolates. We kept on getting chocolates again and again in the same pattern. So I had 2 chocolates. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And my brother had 3 chocolates. 3, 6, 9 and 12. Wait, I see something same here. 6 comes in both of the lists. So what does that mean? Let us understand together. First, let me write the multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. And 2 fours are 8. So the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let me write the multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. And 3 fours are 12. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9 and 12. Now let us compare both the lists. So multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 and multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 6 comes in both of the lists. So a number that comes in both lists is a common multiple. So 6 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. Let's see that again with the numbers 4 and 6. So 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. And 4 fours are 16. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and 16. Now let me write the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. So now when I check closely, 12 comes in both of the lists. So 12 is a common multiple of 4 and 6. So a simple idea, common multiples are numbers that are multiples of 2 or more numbers. Let's do a quick recap. If you want to find common multiples, you first have to find the multiples. Then you have to find the common numbers between both the lists. So those are common multiples. Now you guys try one question. Can you tell me any one common multiple of 2 and 5? Thank you.